So how to scan your multi-TV decoder? If you want to scan for multi-TV channels, you are living anywhere in Africa, you are going to get free channels to watch on your decoder. If you are using free-to-air decoder or you are using an inbuilt satellite flash screen, you can track and then scan for these channels. You are going to get more than 150 channels on multi-TV to watch, and most of the channels are in English, so you don't have any problem. So any decoder that you are using, you press on menu, and then on the menu page of any decoder or any inbuilt flash screen, you are going to see satellite or dish setup, antenna settings, dish settings over there. So you click on OK. This satellite finder, so it will look very different from your decoder. So you come to satellite, and then here is the satellite list, the satellite names. So you need to add your frequency and symbol rate in one of the satellite names, and you can choose any satellite name which have the degrees 26 degrees east or above. So I'm going to choose the multi-TV satellite name, which is Australia 2A 2B 28 degrees east. So you choose this one, and then anytime you are going to scan or you are going to track for a signal or going to search for channels, look down, you are going to see some indications over there: red to add, green to edit, and then many more options over there. So you click, I need to go to the frequency and symbol rate, which is the transponder. So you click on go to on my remote, and then here you need to add your frequency and symbol rate that you are going to use to track for your signal, or going to use to scan for your signal, which is, so you look down there, you press red to add. You come to, you key in the multi-TV frequency and symbol rate. The frequency is 125.25, and then symbol rate is 30,000. Then polarity is vertical. Okay, so I'm having quality signal over here. So you come on the menu, the rest you put it on it, and then press OK to scan. But most of the time on this menu, when you press OK to scan, you are not going to find the brand scan option over there, so you need to go back. Either you have brand scan menu over there, you go to brand scan menu, or on this list you mark on the satellite name that you are going to use to, that you just insert the frequency and symbol rate, and you press on the indication over there to scan, which is blue to scan. So here you can change the scan mode to brand scan, and then you scan your decoder for the free channels. So you press OK, then it will start scanning. So these are the channels you are going to get